Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change tire Lexus GX470 only way. Park on level ground, set the emergency brake, and chock the wheels before lifting the vehicle. Gather your spare, jack, lug wrench, and wheel blocks from the cargo area. Loosen lug nuts while the truck is grounded, then raise the vehicle with the jack at the factory lift point. Remove the wheel, swap the spare, hand thread lug nuts, lower the vehicle, and torque them to spec. Before you start, make sure you have the factory jack, lug wrench, spare tire, and a torque wrench for final tightening. Confirm the spare is properly inflated to the vehicle recommended PSI and carry gloves for grip and cleanliness. Place wheel chocks behind the opposite wheels and set the emergency brake to prevent roll. Position the jack under the designated lift point on the frame and prepare to lift safely and steadily. Loosen each lug nut 1 to 2 turns before lifting to avoid wheel spin. Raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground and remove the lug nuts and wheel, keeping parts organized. Mount the spare and thread lug nuts by hand to ensure proper seating. Lower the vehicle until the tire contacts the ground, then tighten lug nuts in a star pattern and finish with a torque wrench to the manufacturer recommended value for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.